Riding from Point Arena to Boonville, Mountain View Road is so gnarly. So far, 3,000 feet of climbing, 15 miles into it, about 6 miles of climbing so far, and I don't know what's left. Shredding this ish with the Ratking. Steel fork, steel bike, stoked. This is a lot of climbing. Now the question, do I want to take the same route back or add 48 miles basically out of the way to get back to Highway 1 and back to Point Arena? Halfway point. Just ran into Ren in Boonville, went for the 48-mile extension. Highway 128 fucking sucks because it's a highway. Gear check. Rolling the Cadence. Camo socks. Some upcoming leg warmers. Commotion bibs. Pinehurst wind jacket. Real camo underneath. That's so I can blend in with the locals. Five hours. 15 minutes, 73 miles, 9,100 and something feet of elevation. All I want is sardines and chocolate coconut water.